In order to solve an absolute value equation, the first thing we have to do is isolate the absolute value on the left side of the equal sign. So in order to undo what's being done to the absolute value, the first thing we have to do is get rid of minus 5. So we do that by adding 5 to both sides. So when I add 5, it cancels out on the left side, and I'm left with 3 times the absolute value of 2x minus 7 equals 9. So now what I'm going to do is I have to get rid of the 3 so that the absolute value is all by itself. To undo multiply by 3, we divide by 3. We have to do the same to the other side. So what I have left is the absolute value of 2x minus 7 equals 3. Now, we know that when we take the absolute value of a number, it makes it positive. So if we're looking at this value inside the absolute value bars, if that were equal to 3, I could take the absolute value of it and it would equal positive 3. If this value inside the absolute value bars was negative 3, when I take the absolute value of it, it's still going to equal positive 3. So what we need to do is write out two separate equations that represent this. I'm going to take what's inside the absolute value, 2x minus 7, and that could equal negative 3. And 2x minus 7 could also equal positive 3. Because remember, we're going to take the absolute value of it, and it's going to make it positive to equal this 3 up here. All right, now all we have left to do is to solve these two equations. We start with the adding and subtracting. 2x is equal to positive 4. We undo multiply by 2 by dividing by 2. So on this one, x equals 2. I'm going to do the same thing to the other equation. And x equals 5. So my two solutions to this problem are 2 and 5. So when I write my answer to the problem, I list them out just separated by a comma. But remember, this is not an ordered pair. It's simply two numbers listed out.